Hello everyone, welcome to the Borickz channel. This is the content of unboxing part 1. I will show you how to install pocket fishing rod ultra short rod portable. It's so cute that I liked it. One day my friends and I will go fishing. Maybe we will catch a lot of fish. Join me again. In the next video, I will show you more of the contents of the box. There are many more surprises. So that's all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. God bless us all. Oh God.
Fishing isn't just about the catch. It's about the patient, the thrill, and the peace of the water. Enjoy the moment, respect nature. And may your next cast bring a big one. Fire lines. Thank you guys. At sa mga Hindi pa po subscribe, please subscriber.